Welcome to another episode of Jer and Lau Show You How. Today the topic for our video is going to be TH sounds. So let's check our visual. Okay, we are going to practice making TH sounds, which is going to require that we stick our tongue out. So there are three important components here. First is get your tongue in the right position. Second, blow air. Third, decide if you want to turn your voice on or off. So, as you can see here, the tongue is going to stick out a little bit between the teeth. Do not make the mistake of sticking your tongue out too far. Nobody wants to see that. Thumb. Sounds weird. Sounds like there's too much liquid going on. So you're just barely sticking your tongue out and you're biting down softly on the top and the bottom of your tongue. Okay, so once you've got the position down, it's time to work on the blowing air part. And that's simple. You just need a breath. Let it out. Last, you need to decide if the word you're saying has a voiced sound or a voiceless sound. So for TH, there's two different types. Some words are voiced TH words like they or them. We've got voiceless or no voice sounds as well. Think, math, thumb. So that's pretty much it. Let's see what Laura can do. Okay, Laura.
Okay.
Your brain thinks. Show them think.
Think.
Mm-hmm. And how about this thing?
Thumb.
And right now I'm having a
Thought.
3 plus 3 is math.
Oh. Math.
Otra vez.
Math.
Okay, I want you to hold out that TH and make it extra long.
Math.
Okay? And we are with each other. Again.
With.
And
With.
scoot closer.
With.
Perfect. I like that one. That was easy to see. Okay, so now we're going to work on that TH sound with voice. With voice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to start with the TH. Then I'm going to demonstrate you turning on your voice, and then we'll say the word.
Okay.
So the first word will be the. Start like this. The.
The. The.
Get your tongue in the same spot.
The.
Make it vibrate. Make this vibrate. Again. Stick your tongue out. Nope. Don't press it against the back of your teeth. Stick it between your teeth. There you go.
It's hard.
No. You can do it. Okay, so you're sticking your tongue out between your teeth. Clamp it down with your teeth. And then blow the air vigorously. Blow it strong. The. This.
This.
Them.
Them.
You gotta blow air a little bit stronger.
Them.
Mm-hmm. These.
These.
Gotta hear the vibration.
These.
Okay, that's not bad. So it will take a little bit of practice, that's for sure. It doesn't happen immediately. But, so as you could tell here, one of the keys for Laura was, at first, her tongue was touching the back of her teeth. And you can make a TH sound like that, but it's not so easy to make the voiced TH sound like that. So I would change her tongue placement a little bit. Instead of touching the back, she needs to stick it out a little bit. That makes it easier to get the vibration sound. that voiced sound. Last thing, the voiced TH is more likely to occur at the beginning of a word, and it's in all of the boring words in English. The, that, them, these, those, they. It also occurs in the middle of words. So for all of our family members, mother, father, brother, in that middle position of a word, because it's surrounded, that TH is surrounded by a voiced vowel on either side, that middle sound, the TH, will also have voice. Has voice. Has voice. So, other, the voice will just stay on. It's physiologically hard to say, to turn our voice off doesn't make sense. It's easier to just keep it on the whole time. So other has voice. TH sounds at the end of a word will usually be voice off. Math, with, cloth, both. That's about it.